Hi, welcome to IBM Cognos Analytics. In this video, we'll learn how to build a line chart on a dashboard, one of the simplest and most powerful ways to visualize trends over time. Click the hamburger menu at the top left of the screen. From here you can access all the core tools including dashboards, reports, data modules, and more. Let's start with creating a blank template for dashboard. To make this even more relatable, Cognos Analytics provides built-in sample datasets drawn from real industries. These ready-to-use datasets let you start building and exploring visualizations immediately without needing to connect your own data sources first. For this demonstration, we'll be working with the automotive industry sample data that Cognos provides out of the box. It will give us a practical foundation to showcase how Cognos visualizes business data across an entire industry. Cognos Analytics offers a rich library of visualization tools. We can use bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots, heat maps, and more. Each visualization is designed to serve a specific analytical purpose. For this demonstration, we'll be working with the line chart, one of the most powerful tools for tracking change and spotting trends over time. Now drag month from the data panel on the left into the X-axis slot. Cognos recognizes it as a time field and arranges it chronologically from January to December automatically. Then drag sales ID into the Y-axis. Cognos applies a count distinct aggregation instantly, giving us the number of unique sales transactions per month. The moment both fields are assigned, Cognos renders the complete line chart in real time. As you can see, sales peak around January to March at roughly 17,000 transactions, drop sharply through April and May to around 4,000, then recover steadily through September. This entire trend is visible in seconds. One of the standout features is its built-in analytics panel. By clicking on Analytics at the top right of the dashboard, Cognos automatically generates narrative insights about your data, written in plain business language. Beyond narrative insights, the Analytics panel also offers a powerful forecasting feature. With just a click, Cognos projects your trend line into the future, using historical sales data to predict what's likely to come. Thank you for watching. To find more, visit IBM Cognos Analytics.